boat before. How are we supposed to get on?
Come on, follow me. Here, just a quick little jump.
No way.
Oh, come on, it's easy. I'll show you. Yeah, it's totally safe. Just watch out for the wet spot right there. Someone might spill something.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Come on, you know how to swim, right? Ticket, please. Enjoy. Good afternoon. Ticket, please. Oh, aren't you just lovely? And such gorgeous ears. Wow. Not bad. Maybe I was wrong about you.
Yeah, maybe next time you should ask me if I have any ideas before you risk your life unnecessarily.
Ooh. Was this your way of saying that you don't want me to die?
I didn't say that.
Oh, so now you want me to die?
I didn't say that either.
Not buying it, kid.
It's late.
Oh, nice to meet you, lady.
Nice to meet you, too. Oh, I never asked you your name. What's your name?
Oh, I get called a lot of things. You know, I get Buddy, or Pooch, or Spot, or Budge, or Scram, or Hey, get out of the trash. Who needs a name, you know? I'm free to be whoever I want to be. Free to be myself, and free to be by myself. Sky's my roof. Walk wherever I want to walk. Walk however I want to walk.
You're crazy.
You don't know that. Hey, you want to hear something great?
Sure. Wow, they're amazing.
Oh, yeah? Well, the singer's even better. Listen to this. Self-taught, by the way.
No.
I'll admit, I'm not the best technical singer, but sometimes it's not really about pitch or tone. Sometimes it's just about
Volume?
volume. Volume helps, obviously.
Sure.
You want people to hear you.
Well, you have that part down. That's about all you have down.
What? How dare you?
Stay forever, I think.
See? Being a street dog isn't so bad at all. And it comes with a dinner.
Okay, you can stop now.
See, there's plenty to do out here in this big old world.
But there is. Hey, that bark is pretty.
There's a lot of bones buried in that bark.
Dogs died?
No, that's just where we used to bury all the bones.
Oh.
And on your left is the oldest fire hydrant in the city.